Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create new YouTube channel in 2025. To create new YouTube channel in 2025, first you have to open your application or visit the official website, that is youtube.com. Here, I will tap open the application. Then make sure that you are logged in. Now tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. After this, you will see Create a Channel option right below your name. Tap on it, tap on Picture and select a picture for your profile. You can adjust the frame and then tap on Save as Profile Picture. After this, you can edit your channel name here. After editing your channel name, tap on Save. You can add a unique identifier for your channel in the handle section. Make sure that you follow community guidelines and best practices. Choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. I will save it as it is. After this, tap on Create Channel button. And here you go, your channel has been created successfully. To check your channel, tap on your profile icon again and tap on the View Channel option right below your channel name. And now you can create contents, post and share videos, check comments, likes, subscription of your channel. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.